So what do we expect to hear from Iran today?
We expect, if they speak at all, if they talk a lot, we expect one of two things. Either they've breached the the limits on stockpile of uraniums and heading to breach the limit on enrichment, or they're giving the Europeans a chance after the Europeans said yesterday that they're finalizing the mechanism to conduct trade with Iran despite the U.S. sanctions, which might have given the Iranians a pause. We heard from one Iranian MP today saying that, well, they may opt to drop a voluntary agreement with the UN nuclear agency on inspection, so it would be a lower level escalation that would buy people some time. You know, it's one of those two announcements. But we don't have a hard. The confusing thing is we don't have a hard deadline from the Iranians. They're going to say, by this hour, you know, we're in breach. That's why we're just watching the situation.
Okay, we're watching the situation. What do the other signatories of the deal do?
So, as you know, the G20 meeting, as you said, is underway in Japan, and we expect Iran to be a key topic as the other signatories, you know, especially the Europeans, try and rescue the deal. We know what the U.S. thinks. You know, the U.S. is escalating. We sure do, exactly. So it's now basically Iran has the whole thing about the deadline, whether they you know, exit the deal or exceed the limits, is designed by the Iranians to put significant pressure on Europe to do something that would help alleviate the pressure on the Iranian economy. So that's what I'm suspecting. This is what we're going to be discussing in Osaka.